Final Kata, and I'm from 10 Software Engineering class. And today I will give a presentation about these pie charts that I got from English models. As you guys can see in this pie chart is contain the like you guys can see in this pie chart contains the food consumption in China from 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 1985 until 2010. So, I will give like uh, give like an resume of the information that I get from this slide chart that is probably in front of the camera. So let's start my presentation. So I mean like I said before, the graph illustrates the weekly food consumption in China. Measured in grams per person over 25-year period from 19 from year 1985 until 2010. It shows how the consumption level of 3K food animals, that is meat, salt, and fish, change over time in consistent and measurable way. The first food is I will talk about the meat consumption. That is like increased significantly during this period. It began at approximately 100 grams per person per week in 100 in like 100. I mean 1985 and then it continuously grown in clear linear manner until it reached about 200 grams per person per week by 2010. This did consist increase then throughout the entire time frame. Like you guys can see here from 100 from I think for 1985 it like continuously grow until 2010 and it's like you guys can see here in the graph in 2010 the meat consumption in China increased to like 200 grams per person per week. And but in the other side, in Kansas, salt consumption decreased consistently over the same year. It started at around 500 grams in 1985, and then dropped gradually, showing a continuous and then it dropped gradually, showing a continuous decline until it reached around 200 grams per person per week by 2010. The downward trend in salt consumption is clearly displayed by the smooth decrease in the data. And for the last, the fish consumption. However, followed a more fluctuating path while still showing an overall increase. It initially began to about 600 grams per person per person per week in 1985. And then increased to 700 in 1990, and and then drop it again to 600 in the 90 and 19 and 95, and then and for the last it increased to like more than 8 from 8 to the 800 in the 2010. Okay, overall, Grab showed a consistent upward trend in meat consumption, a continuous downward in trends in salt consumption, and a variable yet generally increasing trend in fish consumption. All presented clearly over the 25-year time period. Okay, I think that's all for me for presentation about this line chart. I thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.